John arrived in Tokyo on a bright, busy afternoon. The city lights were already glowing, even in daylight. "Tokyo never rests," he said with a laugh. Everywhere he looked, there were signs, shops, and people in motion. His goal today was simple: to try something new from a vending machine. "I have heard Japan has crazy drinks," he smiled. He walked down a small street near Shibuya Station. Neon lights flashed above him. Then he saw it, a long line of vending machines in different colors. "Wow, so many," John said, amazed. Some sold drinks, others sold snacks, even toys. "Let us find something interesting," he said, walking closer. The machines beeped softly as people pressed buttons. John looked through the glass and read the labels. "Hot corn soup, that is unexpected," he said. "Coffee tea, melon soda, energy drink." Then he saw one with a strange name, Blue Snow Soda. "That is the one," he said with a grin. He checked his pocket for coins. "Let us see, 100, 200. Got it." He inserted the coins and pressed the blue button. Clunk. A cold can drop to the bottom. "That sound is so satisfying," he said. The can was light blue with tiny white snowflakes printed on it. "Cute design," John said, turning it in his hand. He opened it, peesh, and took a sip. "Whoa," he laughed, "it tastes like candy and ice." A Japanese student nearby smiled. "First time?" she asked. "Yes," John replied, "it is interesting." She giggled. "Tokyo vending machines have everything." "I can see that," John said. "It is like a treasure hunt." The student said, "Some machines even sell hot ramen." "Really?" John said, surprised. "I need to see that." They walked together to another machine nearby. It sold small cans of noodles with forks attached. "This is amazing," John said, taking photos. "Japan turns convenience into art," he said. The student laughed. "That is true." John bought another drink, this time a hot lemon tea. "It is actually warm," he said in surprise. "Winter favorite," the student said. They sat on a nearby bench, sipping their drinks. "Tokyo is full of surprises," John said. "Every corner has something new," she agreed. The lights reflected on the wet street after a light rain. "Everything sparkles here," John said softly. "Even vending machines," she laughed. John finished his drink and smiled. "That was fun," he said, "a small adventure." "That is the Tokyo way," she said kindly. He threw the empty can into the recycling bin. "Clean and organized. I love that," he said. "Thank you for showing me around," John added. "You are welcome," she said. "Enjoy Japan." John waved goodbye and walked toward his hotel. The city glowed brighter as night fell. He wrote in his journal, "Adventure can come from the smallest things." He looked back once more at the glowing machines. His 34th bucket list dream had come true.